Hi everybody, Technology Teaching English Language. Unit 1, Using Technology in Foreign Language Teaching. The Internet Classroom, a tool for promoting learner autonomy. Using Technology in Foreign Language Teaching. Integrate AF skills and technology. Focus on learners' perception. Linking technology and reflective practice in primary teacher education. Unit 2, How to improve writing skills through the use of ST. Improving writing literacy through digital learning literacy, Facebook learning in the composition of classroom. Mobile learning to improve writing in ESL teaching. A mobile-based learning tool to improve writing skills of EFL learners. Exploring classroom microblogs to improve writing of middle school students. Unit 2, How to improve oral English skills through the use of ICT. Making smart use of smartphone to improve public speaking, mobile instant messaging, WhatsApp, and potential to develop oral skills. Building oral language through the iPad project, the journey. Conclusion. The social network current is a great tool if use is massive and compromise students and teachers. For example, a smartphone can be used for practice writing, speaking, in general develop for skills. The tasks can be nice and not boring. In this case, the use of technology for foreign language teaching is a great advantage for the new teachers, especially for younger docents